My stepsister, like, I sometimes worry that she eats too much. Shut up, kid.
What do I do to learn how to fight? Son, violence is a product of fear. Learn to truly love yourself. You should come here.
Ok.
Alright.
Oh, Donnie.
How much are they paying you to be here? I think you're afraid. Are you telling us this stuff so we can buy you a book? Tell her to get off the couch, stop eating Twinkies, and maybe go out for field hockey. You see some jerk shoving your head down the toilet. Well, you know what? Maybe you should lift some weights or take a karate lesson. The next time he tries to do it, you kick him in the ball.
That's really wrong advices, Donnie.
See the fear, people? This boy is scared to death of the truth. Son,
Okay, it's a speech fight.
I believe you're a very troubled and confused young man.
You don't know
I
how
believe
much.
you're searching for the answers in all the wrong places. You're right, actually. I think you're fucking Antichrist.
That much? Don't encourage him.
Sure. You think it does? They just got.
Are you okay?
Ah, that's a good question.
You ever heard of Grandma Death?
Before that, I was sad for you. The more we are progressing, and I'm afraid of
Like a
you.
lot of people messed up stuff.
Dawn,
That kind of book, you know, written by crazy people, they are the worst and the funniest one.
Through space-time along its center of gravity, like a sphere.
You're really encouraging him, you?
Like, could these portals just appear anywhere, anytime? I think that's highly unlikely. Well, if God controls time, then all time's predecided.
Oi, oi.
And the mere fact that this choice exists would make all preformed destiny come to an end. Not if you travel within God's channel.
No.
Anyone seen in this school reading this book will be suspended. Maybe you and Frank can read this one together.
Who are these teachers who are encouraging him into the crazy direction? The wallet that you are finding into the street.
Yeah, so the idea is that you buy these glasses for your infant and they wear them at night when they sleep.
And
you should go to grass. Something peaceful or beautiful, whatever the parents want.
What if the parents like putting pictures of Satan, dead people, crap like that?
no.
Is that what you show your kids?
Didn't your dad like stab your mom? Sorry, those guys.
Was it the right moment when you're sad and mad? She's sleeping. Oh, that smile, really, Donnie.
Why are you wearing that stupid clothes?
Why are you smiling and talking like that now?
Why do you call you friend?
They?
Just name it, my father. We're just gonna stop. You should already know that. Have you ever seen a portal?
Oh, Donnie, you're too far. You're obeying to Frank. Donnie. This place, you're gonna burn this place. Yep. At least you're not burning the scroll. You have an alibi. Ah!
Yeah.
He needs help, for sure.
You're my only son. Be honest. Tell the truth. What did you look at you? Thing is that almost all of those people are bullshit.
Yes, we all have our part of craziness. But his part is medical, can be dangerous, and he needs help, really.
You're scared of people like you because those bullshit that you know all that.
You're all encouraging him to be crazy.
Oh my God! While golfing at the Sarasota Heights Country Club.
For what? A child pornography? Oi! And now you think that you did something good. That Frank
I'm sorry.
made you do something good?
What exactly about my methods are inappropriate?
A lot of things.
I am sorry that you have failed. No,
The way of turning that sentence. What are you showing them?
When the other rabbits hear a Fiver's vision, do they believe him?
Why should we care?
Hmm?
Are you saying that the death of one species is less tragic than another?
Of course. The rabbit's not like us. You don't know who you are or why you're even alive. And you just want to have sex as many times as possible before you die.
You're saying that to your girlfriend?
Rabbits can talk. They're the product of the author's imagination, and he cares for them, so we care for them. Otherwise, we just miss the point.
Aren't we forgetting about the miracle of storytelling? The Deus Ex Machina, the God machine.
Now, as their coach, I was the obvious choice to chaperone. Now, believe me, of all the other mothers, I would never dream of asking you. The other mother.
Don't leave your house. Oi. You just met Frank?
Elizabeth will be in chains. She's gonna be therapy.
Don't leave. The many we are, the many can stop him, help him. You are all just waiting for him to do the crazy shit that you know that he's gonna do at some point. I mean, they are trying to help, don't get me wrong, but they already know that what they are trying to do is not enough.
There's nothing broken in my brain.
Nah. That's a good guy. He thinks that it's the end of the world, remember?
Suffice to say, I'm no longer your English teacher. They fired me.
You're the only good teacher here.
Did you really listen to her class?
Thank you.
I'm very conflicted now. Crazy scenes to make us feel lost and crazy little by little like Donnie. And now with how they are beginning to end it, I'm almost like, are we supposed to find in fact all of these scenes smart and clever? Donnie is right to think like that because society is like that and everyone is crazy and all. Yes, everyone is crazy, but it's not a good reason.
Promise, one day, everything's gonna be better for you.
You're right to be scared. Oh, she was in love with you.
What else makes you feel regret?
That I did it again.
Uh-oh.
I flooded my school and I burned in that pervert's house.
Did Frank tell you to do these
I
things?
have to obey him. He saved my life.
Oi.
Then I want people to figure out what this is all about.
What this is all about?
Noah's master plan.
Do you now believe in God?
In Frank.
I have a car with a time machine.
Huh?
How is time travel possible?
Time's up, princess.
I'm back to be sorry for you, Donnie. I have to think that it's on purpose, you know, to make us feel, you know, how crazy people are going crazy and how also at the end they are convincing themselves that they are smarter than the other ones, you know. Don't kill your psychiatrist. Wake him up.
If this were to end,
You can stop taking your medication. They're placebos, just pills made out of water.
What? Why did you do that?
An atheist is someone who denies altogether the existence of God. They're an agnostic who believes that there can be no proof of the existence of God but does not deny the possibility that God exists.
And that was not a real psychiatrist. For sure.
I'm going to Harvard.
Congratulations.
Maybe she told me from the party.
Oh, Donnie, 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 Donnie. He's gonna wear a rabbit suit.
it's extremely important that you call me as soon as you get this message.
And now you're worried after saying all of that to Donnie? There are bad parents, bad teachers, bad psychiatrists. Ah, she's gone away or she's gone... away.
She didn't leave a note. And
Ah,
the house was all messed up.
Oh my gosh.
And it said I should leave the house and that I should go to sleep.
there are bad cops also that are not letting the teenager all alone.
It's my fucking stepdad. I know it.
How do you think?
I guess people just born with tragedy.
Not a good time. She's sad and desperate. She's all alone. Her mom left, maybe because her stepdad did something wrong to her, and you just fucked her. Frank was here. Oi, oi, oi. It's a weird episode of Stranger Things, you know. That was an easy one. Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum. I was joking. What? Who? Who? What? Who the fuck? But
What are you guys doing in the middle of the road, huh? He's thinking. Go home. Go home and tell your parents everything will be okay.
but like you knew it before doing it. You traveled time, lady. The storm that we heard at the beginning of the movie. I'm sorry. None of it is making fucking sense. The end of the world? What? That's computer things? Oh, I'm really far from taking it seriously now. It's what, a tornado? Oh, and it was the thing from the plane, you know, who fall into your house? Yes, back, we're going back.
Dear Bruce Sparrow, I've read in your book. Sometimes I'm afraid that you'll tell me that this is not a work of fiction. I can only hope that the answers will come to me in my sleep, because there will be so much to what we do.
What now? Oh, and with this song to end.
Dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever. It's a very, very bad. Find it kind of funny, find it kind of sad.
What was his name? Donnie. Donnie Darko.
Yes, we've got it. It's not working. And what? Like you're recognizing each other from a parallel world? You never met into that parallel world, if it was the case. The kid. It's not working. I'm sorry to say it, but it's not working. What? There is two solutions, you know, that they are offering to us, that they are offering to the viewers. The first one, the realistic one according to them, it's the fact that, in fact, all of that was just a dream nightmare, and in fact, since the beginning, he died during that moment, that accident, and that's why all of these scenes, all of what happened seemed weird, crazy, because in fact all of that was a dream, kind of a nightmare, and that's why nothing is working, everything was feeling weird, everything was feeling like a dream, because in fact all of that was a dream. The other solution that they're offering to us is there is really a way to travel time that he found, and everything that happened during the movie was real, and at the end he's finding a way to erase all of what happened, all of what he did, by not going on his first sleepwalking, like he's sacrificing himself, so at the end his girlfriend can live and everyone can be happy and all, because he's never gonna exist and do what happened during the movie. We have these two solutions that the writers are offering to us. I'm not saying that one is better than the other one and that the writers wanted one to win. I really think that they let that open for the persons who can believe into travel time and who can fall into that, but also for the persons who are more realistic and who are more trying to find a reason for everything and all. These two solutions offered by the writers, for me, none of them are working. The realistic option, if all of that was just a dream, it's coming from who? Who dreamed that? Who thought of that? Who had this nightmare? If he's dead since the beginning, if it's the travel time situation, I'm not someone who is believing into that, but let's go on that direction, you know. It's working for the plane thing, you know, the jet plane thing. It's working for how he's ending that, because in fact he's going right there to be killed, so all of that is never gonna happen. But it's not working for Frank, for the rabbit. His meeting is seeing that rabbit face, that rabbit costume, that Frank, you know, is learning the name of that rabbit being Frank and all during it. So how he had this name, this appearance and all of that before that. Frank is telling you to do all of that so you can come to this end, you know, the end of the world. It's the end of your world because it's the beginning of the world without you. It's metaphysics and all, I understand that, I understand what you're trying to do with that, but I'm saying that a lot of things are not working if you are going on that direction. The name of Frank, the appearance of the rabbit, the fact that Frank is telling you to do all of that, it's working, the end is working and all, but a lot of things that happen during it is not working. For how it was filmed and all, we had a lot of good movements of camera, we had a lot of good pictures, and I think that it was well done for how it was filmed and also how it was cut. Scenes after scenes which were making us feel weird, uncomfortable, we were losing ourselves with Donnie, and little by little we were going almost crazy with Donnie. But at some point they switched into one direction that I didn't follow, but which is working with the character of Donnie, who is going crazier, but who thinks that in fact is going smarter. If we're thinking like that, I'm okay with Donnie evolution, because it's like how crazy people are thinking, you know, they are thinking that they are the smarter ones to justify their actions and all. But if the purpose of the writers with this switch, you know, was to make us think that in fact Donnie was the clever guy since the beginning, the only one to see the truth, I'm not sure that I can go on that direction. And you know, all of that could work, all of the travel time thing and all, even if, like I said, some things are not really functioning, or could work if, for me, since the beginning, they didn't represent Donnie as someone who is sleepwalking, who is having these weird dreams, who has imaginary friends. Since the beginning, we know that he has a crazy side, so we can't believe him, we can't trust him, we can't go with him on that direction. For me, since the beginning, they represented Donnie as the crazy guy, someone that I can't trust, believe. If they didn't represent him like that, if they represented him since the beginning as a regular guy, little by little they put me doubts about is he going crazy or is he really smarter than everyone and all. Like it would have put doubts into my mind, and maybe at the end I would have really believed into that solution, you know, into the travel time and all. Maybe I would have fallen for it. Do you understand what I mean? By beginning the story with someone like that who has mental issues and all, I'm not gonna believe him, I'm not gonna fall for what he's seeing and all, because it's crazy. How you defined the character of Donnie since the beginning and how also you are representing Frank since the beginning, it's telling me that this is crazy. I think that it would have worked and it would have been really better. A Donnie at the beginning who is a regular guy, and maybe little by little Frank being so crazy, you know. It would have worked better because I would have had doubts, it would have made me doubt about is it possible or not. That's why I didn't go on that direction at all. Like, for me, the solution between these two solutions that they are offering, I prefer the realistic one because the other one is not working for me for several details, for how it's done. My mind is not embracing, you know, that possibility because for what I think it can't be. I'm conflicted. Not about this series, you know, about the movie and all, because I just explained you what I think about it, but more about what I think about the movie, if I liked it or not. I was not really scared, you know, I thought that it was an horror movie, and no, it was maybe more a psychological movie. I think that's no. You know, if the movie didn't work on me, it means that I didn't like it. I'm not sure. That's, you know, it's that kind of movie. I'm finishing it, I don't know if I liked it or not. For how it's filmed and how it's played also by the casting, the actors, actresses and all, they did a good job. But for how it's written, it's not working for me. I think that I didn't like it, this movie. Because in a way, it's representing the kind of movie that I really don't like. The kind of movie who thinks that they are smarter. There are some movies like that which are made almost during the same period of time, who are building an whole thing like that. They think that they are doing a mind game movie, they think that they are creating something new that was never seen before, they think that they are smarter than anyone by doing that, by writing it like that. But at the end, no. You have good ideas, you have good intentions, but it's not working, so I don't know how to translate that in English. In French, I would say c'est de la branlette intellectuelle. It's people who are thinking that they are smarter than anyone, who created something which seemed to be smart, but if we are searching a little more into really what they did, it's not smart, you know, in fact. It's people who think that they are smart. I know that if you are watching this reaction video and on Patreon you wanted me to react to this movie, so I think that you loved this movie. So maybe you're gonna be disappointed that I didn't love it, and maybe you're gonna tell me that it's working because of that, that and that. If your explanation that it's working, it's gonna be because that was a dream, or because that was a nightmare, because he was hallucinating. It's almost, you know, when in movies, in fantastic movies, they are explaining something by it can work because it's magical, you know. It's the easiest response and explanation, the one that the writers want you to answer because they didn't find a better one, because they didn't create a better one, because that was also easier for them to explain a situation like that, because they didn't know how to explain in another way, because they didn't want to create it, to force it, because they were also trapped with their own story and they didn't know how to do it. That explanation, if you are giving it to me, is not gonna work, is not gonna convince me. I prefer to warn you. Really, no. So yes, I didn't like it. I'm not mad, you know, that I watched this movie. I'm not feeling, you know, that I lost time into my life. Even if I don't like it, I think that it's still a movie that you have to watch to make your own opinion about it. Maybe it can work on you, you know, on other people. And I said it, I explained why it didn't work on me. But even if you think that things are not working, you know, like me, maybe you still love this movie because it made you think, because it's well done, because it's well played, because it's a kind of story also which is talking to you, a psychological movie like that, and or maybe it's enough, you know, for you. Maybe it's things that you love also to not have answers. Maybe it's because of that I don't like it. Because I don't like movies and shows without a real answer, without a real resolution. That's it. Because they don't know how to write real explanations and a real ends. They are lost with the characters that they created, the stories that they created. They had good ideas at the beginning, but they lost themselves and they don't know how to end that, so it's ending like that, you know. I'm sorry, because I think that if you offered me on Patreon to watch this movie, maybe it's because of the fact that you like it and maybe because you thought that I would like it. I'm sorry to say that it's not the case. I saw the good things into this movie, but I saw also all of the things which are not working, and for me they are more important, bigger than the things which are working. It's like that. I'm sorry if it's not the review that you wanted, if it's not the reactions that you wanted, but you know me, I'm honest with my reactions and what I think about movies and shows, and I'm not gonna hide if I'm not liking something just because of the fact that I think that the persons who are gonna watch this in fact loved it, you know, not just to please you. I hope that you're not gonna be mad at me because of that. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now, bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.